This is a train tracking and travel production. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. We're here at the First Street Railroad crossing in Bellevue, Washington, on the former BNSF Woodinville Subdivision. The crossing has since been stripped of all lights, gates, and even its bell since 2014. The rail line itself saw its last train in 2008 and was subsequently abandoned and sold by the railroad due to rising maintenance costs and the destruction of the Wilburton Tunnel, which carried the railroad over Interstate 405. Soon, all the rails and possibly the crossing signals will be removed for the extension of the East Trail. I still think it's a shame the line met this fate, and it should have been used for commuter service to help alleviate traffic on Interstate 405 and other local roads. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.